Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Gemini. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation, and your love energy, guys. And I would like to thank you all, guys, for your support and your positive comments. We are reaching 10,000 subscribers, and thank you all for your support and your positivity today, guys. Every day, that is helping me to do this reading every day, guys. So these are the cards for your daily energy, Gemini. This is for your career situation, and this is for your relationship. And I'll be picking one card from the Rumi Oracle deck. So that card, we will open that card at last, guys. So that is your guidance for today, Gemini. So let us see what are these cards for your daily energies. It's Ace of Pentacles in reverse, Four of Wands, and the Magician in reverse. So with these cards, Gemini, in your situation today, you are celebrating some kind of initial success. You have seen the path to reach success, and you're feeling really happy for it, for how things are going in your situation. And you see the path that will take you to that fortunate results in life. So this may be your, it may relate to your career situation or personal life. What choices you are supposed to make, you have that clarity and you feel really happy for it. And you are celebrating the success, guys. And there are people in your work situation, maybe the way you do your work, or the way you exercise control over other people, your authority to make them work in your work situation or in your business. So people may be thinking that you are trying to control them, trying to use your power and authority over them. So they may be talking behind you, they may not like the way you handle your situation, but you are doing the right thing. You want to do things correctly and effectively, so you do your work in a particular way. But people around you, your colleagues or people who work for you, they may not like the way you do your work. Or it may be in your personal life, people you are with, in your family, they may not like the way you behave in your situation, guys. So that is also what I see with these cards. And also maybe for some of you, you may want to talk to someone, maybe to a psychologist, or have some psychological counsel. Maybe for some of you, you may be feeling really stressed, guys, lot of mental stress, and you may be seeing the way to escape the stress today and coming out of the situation, guys. So that may be the reason for celebration. Or it may be something in your work situation, maybe some stressful situations in your work and you're happy in your personal life, or it may be vice versa. That is what I see with these cards, Gemini. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It's the High Priestess in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your situation, in your work situation, you are really passionate about your work. You just love your work and it is something you are passionate about. Maybe if you are into something creative, whatever the field, maybe you may be a computer engineer, but you simply love your work. That is what this card denotes. And you are putting in lots of efforts today. in your situation to make things go towards that happy ending, towards that happy results, whatever you are expecting for yourself. So that is also what I see. And let us see what is the card for your relationship, Gemini. It's the Hierophant. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, maybe you are moving towards marriage. That may be the reason for the celebration. Maybe you are proposing to that person, or they are proposing to you, and you are planning your wedding. Maybe for some of you, you are already engaged and you are getting married for some of you guys. So that's what I see. So something happy in your personal life, that may be the reason for this card, the celebration what we got with the previous cards, guys. But there are some stressful situations in your career, maybe some things stressing you emotionally, guys. So let us see what is your Rumi Oracle card. So these cards are based on Rumi's poetry, guys, and it is filled with the essence of love. Such beautiful cards. So let us see what is the card for you today, Gemini. Merciful Mother, Jamal. This card comes with a special guidance, Gemini. So in your situation, you are asked to take stock of your own thoughts and attitudes. So being rough and playing hard in the past, so all that phase is over, guys. Now this is the time for you to be gentle, be humble towards this person or towards the situation. So when you do that, you will be able to work things in a very harmonious way. So you need not be afraid to give a break to discipline, hardness and toughness. So all your suffering will go if you change your way, learn another way. Try to be more gentle today. So this card calls for compassion today, guys. So you will realize more power if you are more compassionate in your situation today, guys. And that is what this card is about. So whatever your situation is, Gemini, you have to deal it with compassion and love in your heart, not with that hardness and not with that roughness today. So you have to have that gentle, loving spirit in yourself in any situation you are handling, either be your career situation or your personal life. So that is what this card is about, Gemini, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.